Open the Mibro Fit app. Tap to select country region. Select your country or region. Tap Next Step. Return to the Service Region page. Tap Next Step. Return to the login page. Tap No Account, Register Now. Registration page. Enter your email address. Enter your password. Tap Send the verification code. Enter the verification code received in your registered email. Tap Register Now. Tap Understood. After successful registration, proceed to Profile Information page. Enter your nickname. Tap the Continue button. Welcome page. Tap to complete. Select your gender. Select your date of birth. Tap Continue or Skip. Select your height. Select your body weight. Tap Continue or Skip. Enter home page. Thanks for your watching.